Got a line service carrier bearing for a 900 Polaris 900 XP. And taking these screws out, see what we got in here. Alright, got the screws removed. And alright. So kind of a press fit in there. Gonna get her on and push her back. Basically, just use a rubber mallet, tapped it back. It wasn't that tight of a fit. And we'll get this pressed off and set the number on it. Got the bearing off here. It's just a 6006 RS, 2RS, rubber seal on both sides. Here's the one that was in it, but it's been changed before. 6006 RSA. Basically, just check all your dimensions. Thickness, width. And then what I use is just a chunk of tubing, long enough. You want to drive on the inner race, not on the outer. So I'm going to put it on there and drive it on that way. Okay, so drove the bearing on, make sure it goes all the way flush. The housing, I'm going to put just a little bit of grease on this edge and on this edge. So there's going to be a little bit of grease in between that rubber seal and this.